welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to use the August Boxycharm box, and because I love you guys so much and you guys are so positive and nice to me and you guys have been really liking my videos and interacting with me so much, I want to do a fun little giveaway. So I'm going to leave all of the details of the giveaway in the description box below where you can enter. So yeah, I'm excited. I love doing giveaways. I just did a giveaway with Boxycharm on my Instagram, and they sent over to the person that I picked a huge PR package of all of their new lipsticks, and she was just so excited, and that just makes my heart so happy. All right, so it's starting to thunder, so if you hear some like big bangs, that's what that is. So I'm gonna open this up. You guys have probably seen me on Instagram use the oil, but it's the Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. I already have it, so it came in my box as well. So I'm gonna put that to the side, and that's gonna be one of the things in the giveaway. I'm gonna use this oil that I got in my box. And again, I used it on a little video on my Instagram. And normally I'm not a fan of oils on my face at all, especially during summertime. And I really liked this one because it's oily, but it feels water-based. It doesn't feel like an oil at all. Okay, so putting the Becca foundation, or putting the Becca powder underneath my eyes, this little setting powder. It's got a good brightening effect. It doesn't feel dry. Let's see if I would bake with it. I'm not a fan of baking because it really dries me out. Now I gotta tell you, when I opened this guy, so much flew out, and I feel like I wasted a lot of it, but that's all right. So I don't want to go too far with baking. I feel like it just kills my skin, but put it up here. It doesn't feel really heavy at all. I feel like I have to use like a good amount of it though to get the product to stick to my skin, because I'm noticing even when I use the brush and when I use a sponge, it kind of like, I can see it out of the corner of my eye just like flying off, which is kind of annoying. Retails for $40, which is not cheap, but it does, I don't know. I feel like I just need a lot of product, to be honest. I'm gonna back into this because that wasn't working out. It just was flying off. It's still like really flying off though. Next up we have these two guys from Ace Beauty, and it's their Glimmer Shadow. One is called Iced Latte, which is just gold, and then the other one is called Cotton Candy, which is like a corally pink. You know, that's my jam. It feels like very silky, but it feels like a bouncy type of texture. Like it's really soft. Bouncy, that's like a really strange word. I know it sounds weird, but when you get this, you'll understand what I mean. Like it just feels very smooth and kind of like velvety a little bit. So I'm just gonna take this color on my finger. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at that color. Okay, the way this color hits the light is beautiful. This would look so pretty on any skin color. I don't even care. Like whether you're the palest of the pale or the darkest of the dark, it will look gorgeous on you. Look how beautiful that is. It just like catches the light, and it has these little reflections that are just so beautiful, especially for summer. So I'm just going to start buffing it out with my finger up into my crease a little bit. Then I'm going to use my Tarte Big Ego, and I really like this one. It reminds me a lot of Too Faced Better Than Sex. The formula reminds me of it a lot, and the wand reminds me of a lot. The only difference is I feel like the wand might be just a little bit thicker, which is okay. It's not like stupid thick to where I feel like it just pokes me in the eye the whole time. Then I'm going to take the Iced Latte, and I'm actually going to use it as a little bit of a highlight on my cheeks. So I like a little highlight, and it's just nice and pretty in gold. Ooh, this is really pretty as a highlight. I really like it. Then I'm going to take the Steve Laurent lip liner, and this is in the shade Chic, and I like it. It looks like a nice brown. I've been looking for a good nude liner, and I just haven't found one, and I feel like this might be it. Yes, this is the brownie nude I have been looking for. I have such an issue finding good nude lip liners because for some reason sometimes they'll look either too red on me, like a red undertone, or they'll look too gray. So here is my finished look. I really liked Boxycharm this month. Didn't love the Becca powder, but maybe you guys will. Maybe if you have extra oily skin, this will be good for you because it'll really suck it all up. So I love you guys, and don't forget that the giveaway will be down in the description. Make sure you're subscribed. You have to be subscribed to win, of course. And also, if you're thinking about checking out Boxycharm, my link is down in the description too, to go sign up if you want to. So I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.